Okay, massive foul yesterday. I just put the camera down and I just get up. I helped Chris fit some tyres. I did some stuff for Grant, and I just said, I ain't playing this game today. As you know, we ordered the fitting for the oil restrictor on the turbo, but what happened was I ordered 7/16 thread pitch, but what I needed was a 1-8 NPT fitting. I got the AN4 bit right, I just got what I was screwing it into wrong. This fitting here is an NPT 1-8, and the fitting that's on that restrictor is 7/16, I think, if I read the description right. I can't remember. So what I'm doing now is I spoke to Lewis yesterday, who works at the Vantage storage and restoration. We've been there before, probably not, maybe, I can't remember. But he wants some hats, they want some stickers, they want a mask. So I'm going to pop up and see them. They're going to drill it out for me, and they're going to tap it to the new thread of that restrictor, because I'm not messing around with it anymore. I'm not spending more money ordering, getting it wrong, waiting. We ain't got time, we just want to get out in the car, don't we? Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get that pitched and threaded, get it right, get it in, get it done, and we'll see you when we get there in like a minute. Well, 1 second. Like 45 minutes to me. Like 1 second for you. Son! You got it? Can you remember? Remember, Gaz? Vintage, Auto and Classic Limited. Yeah, I'll forget that. None of them know we got the camera out. Oh, look at this. Hello. Oh, shh. Oh, look at this. What's this? Oh, what are those? Lewis, what the fuck is this, mate? This is XXR. You know it's not acceptable. This is nice. Oh, pizza. 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 We've got our mate Chrissy's up there. This is better. Lewis, why you not got these on yours, mate? Oh, nice easy access. It's lightweight. Weight reduction. And that's a secret you shouldn't be seeing. It's got a plan.
MPT will change the actual union.
Say again.
We'll change the dial of the union.
What's that mean?
Change the fed on the union.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah. We'll change the fed on that to fit into the adapter.
Alright, for maths. What we're going to do now, as in we, I mean Lewis, change this from 7/16 24
to 1/8 MPT.
To 1/8 MPT. You know what I mean? So now we're going to make this, make that. How big is this place? Cool, eh?
Leave me up.
Oh, look at that. What's that now?
1/8 MPT.
And what's this?
1/8 MPT.
That is
There we go.
disgusting. Thank you very much.
No worries.
There's some special jizz on it.
I'm not a bad person, I've got a small brain. Yeah. They've turned that fitting into a NPT 1.8. It's Grant, by the way. Right, Grant, you dickhead. I know you don't watch these videos, so I'm going to fucking show you now, you cunt. We're back in action, boys. So what we had to do was,
Gaz did it all.
Gaz did it all, Gaz Fab again. I'm going to get a job here at Vintage Auto. Vantage? Yeah. I'm dyslexic, I can't read. So it's not Vintage? No. Oh shit. Okay, it's Vantage. Vantage, but I can't read. Vantage Auto. I give up now anyway, get off camera, dickhead. But yeah, it's done. They've done an amazing job. Thank you very much. And look at all their amazing goodies. Can't show them because personal shit. But yeah, it's sound. Yo! Thank you, Lewis and Luke from Vantage. Classic repairs and restore and some of it. Come on, man, give me a bit of credit. One bit at a time. I can't remember everything. But yeah, no, what they ended up doing, I couldn't tell if you tell, making the new taper being a 1.8 MPT over trying to drill out the housing. It just was a lot easier. But they got it done, put the new seal on there, and it's all complete. But thank you again, boys. You looked after me, you know. The Tap and Die Kings over there. I'm going to pop into Midnight Development. I'm going to go and see Ebo, Shezzy and Wayne. Have a nice little catch up with them. See if they're hungry. Maybe get some food, you know what I mean? It's been all day. I'm getting hungry, innit? For that, man's driving. I'll see you all when we get there. If they're there. And if they're not, I'll see you at the unit. We will see what happens, shan't we? I didn't get down the unit because it was rush hour and I was like, it's too cold and I can't be arsed. Popped into Shezzy and Ebo and Wayne. We had a bit of fun, had a bit of laugh. Stole a piece of pizza. Don't tell me missus, I'll be told off. Enough from today. I hope this is enough for one video because we had success. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. And if I do see you tomorrow, this will be in a minute. If it isn't in a minute, then this is the end of the video. Here we are. You know what time it is. It's a new day, a new dawn. Let's get this Civic finished. I didn't come down last night because it was late. We went to the on Xbox, play a bit of COD and a bit of Forza. 2 AM. Boys, keeping me up late, man. But yeah, good fun. As you know, Luke and Lewis managed to get this gone off for me. The sealer's gone off now as well, so that's bang on. And now we're going to install it on the Civic. Now I'm going to try and take you under there with me. But we've been there before, but as it's on the floor, it ain't so easy. But I'm going to do my best. Let's turn the tunes down a bit just in case we get to trouble it. Where's all the souls at? You will have to excuse me. Oh, Grant's been here. Yeah, that's right. Grant just leaves all his shit everywhere all the time. Today's a good day, we hope. Where's the tools, huh? Oh, sure this just got tighter. But yeah, I'm gonna get it on there. I'm gonna put the line on first. I'll put that oil feed on. And then I'll put the plugs in. Ouch. And then I'll show you, because I've only got 2 hands. Okay, now these wires go up here. It's not going to work with you there, sorry mate. The oil sensor temperature's on. The oil feed with the new restrictors on, and the oil pressure sensor's now plugged in. If you remember, this moves. Okay, you tighten this up, but this still moves. What stops this moving is when you put the filter on. So when I'm going to tighten it up, I'm going to move it slightly there, so that's out the way. And we'll be bang on. Come here, Mr. HKS. Oh. There you go, and as you see now the filter's tight, the sandwich plate don't move. And we're done under here. Everything's out of the way. Sweet, let's tidy up and start the fucker up here. You ready? There's no oil. And there is oil going to the turbo. There's oil going to the turbo still, so that's good. Hopefully that stops it. But you know we've got to test it. It's warming up. Thank you, lads. Thank you, man. Appreciate all your help. Everyone that's helped with the Civic so far, it's all been brilliant. Civic seems to be all good. Hopefully that fix is our oil issue. If not, I'm gonna have to look into the oil return and try and make some sort of wizardry. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna fix it. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna take it out for a spin in a bit. But if you remember the other day, I was doing them lips and grill for Jason, and they've been flatted, sanded, all that jazz, so they're ready for paint. I've got all the products, I just want to get it done. I'm going to shoot the base coat today, see how it lies, and if it's going pretty well depending on the temperature, I'll put some lacquer on, and if not, we'll do the lacquer tomorrow. You know what I mean? Protect the baby, put the other two outside, everyone's happy. Let's get to it.